Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove a bed off a second gen Dodge Ram. This pickup has been sitting on my farm for years. It's my uncle's old pickup. I actually just started it for the first time in 8 years. You're going to want to check that video out, it's pretty cool. So this is a regular cab long bed. The 24 valve that I got without a bed is a long bed too. So I'm actually going to rob the bed off of this pickup. It's in very good shape, so we're going to throw that on my other pickup. And then I'll paint it all and whatnot. So yeah, with that being said, we'll get going and get this bed off. And before I actually start removing the bed, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean the bed completely out. It is disgusting in here. Alright, it's looking better already. That's one bucket from it. Alright guys, so I got the bed cleaned out. Took 2 Bobcat buckets full. Mostly beer cans, it looks like. But I think we're ready to start the process now. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, is take the tail lights off and then disconnect the wiring, so when I lift the bed off, the wiring doesn't get pulled off or anything. I think it's a T25 maybe. Just 2 screws. And then to just pop right off. I think there's a, yeah, so there's a harness in here. If you can see on the GoPro, it's like that. Okay, I'm just gonna pop these back in so I don't break them or lose them. I don't know if I'm gonna reuse these lights or not, but I'll have them just in case. And then basically do the same thing to the other side. There's our harness right there. Just gotta take that guy off. Just like that. And then it's like that. Sweet. Okay, take the tailgate off. Set this aside. So I think as far as electrical, it's gonna be basically your trailer light. I think your trailer lights actually are separate from the bed, so that shouldn't bother us. But definitely our license plate lights and our tail lights. I think that's the only wires that we're really gonna have to make sure we remove before we pull the bed off. So now we just gotta take these wire holders out that hold in our tail light wiring. Pretty simple. Just follow it around and get it completely disconnected off the bed. There's one. And then my license plate lights, they were cut, so I'm not even gonna have to worry about those. Alright, so that is free. The tail light should be good to go. Just this one here. I think I got one more. And then my wiring should be good. Alright, now for the bumper. There's just a couple of bolts. 3, I think, on either side. Okay, I think our bumper's free. I'm gonna do the filler neck before I forget. So the filler neck's got 4 Phillips head screws that we need to loosen. See, yep, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll take those guys off next. So guys, while I was editing this video, I realized that my GoPro quit recording when I was taking the bolts out from underneath the bed. So I just want to show you where those bolts are. I believe they're all a 16mm if I remember right. It's pretty easy. There's 8 of them. So starting towards the front of the bed, you're going to have 4 bolts, 2 on the passenger and 2 on the driver's side. And it's really easy to get with an impact. So you got those 4 there. And then going towards the back of the pickup, you're gonna have a bolt here, and then same on the other side. So there's gonna be 8 bed bolts in total. So once you get all 8 bed bolts off and the filler neck off, and then obviously your tail light wiring, your box is ready to lift off. So it's actually a really easy process. I was surprised. Like I said, it only took about 5 minutes to get all these bolts off. And if you look on the frame, these bolts right here, I just used my impact with a long extension and went through the bottom part of the frame here, through this hole, to get to the bolt. Then same on this side, there's a hole here, extension to bolt, and then same with these other bolts that are ahead of it. I wish I would have got this on video, but it's pretty easy, and I hope this kind of helped. Guys, there you have it. That's how to remove a bed from a 2nd gen Dodge Ram. Obviously, I probably should have hooked it up a little bit better just so I could try to keep it level so it's easier to put down, but I got it anyway. Just have to set it down and back up as I set it down. So guys, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.